Getting credential. Open console.cloud.google.com. You will be on the dashboard after sign-in. At the top, you can create a project. Click New Project. Name the project and click the Create button. After project creation, click Select Project. Go to APIs and Services at the left and click Enable API and Services from the drop-down menu. Now go to search bar on the top and search for Indexing API. Click Web Search Indexing API from the result. Click Enable. Now, go to the hamburger menu on the top, go to APIs and Services on the left, and click Credentials from the drop-down menu. At the top there is Create Credentials. Please click the Service Account. Now name the service account, project name please. Add account description. This will create a service account. Provide owner access and continue setup. This will create an email. Furthermore, click the email to generate API key. Go to Keys, Add Keys. Select JSON, and then Create. This JSON file needs to be uploaded during Indexing API plugin installation. Save the JSON file. It is one-time generation and cannot be regenerated. Owner access to email in GSC. Copy the email from the service account. Open Google Search Console. Click Settings in the left button. Click Users and Permissions. Click Add Users. Paste the copied email address from service account and provide owner access. Installation of Indexing API plugin. Download the Indexing API plugin from the NopBooster store with license. Open the nopCommerce dashboard, website backend. On the search bar, search Local Plugins. On the right top, click Upload Plugin or Theme. Choose Plugin File. Upload Plugin. Click Restart Application to apply changes. Search the plugin. Click Install. Click Restart Application to apply changes. Search the plugin. Click Configure. Click Load Config from JSON file. Select the JSON file saved. Add license key. Save.